Lamb Chevap with okra. A main dish from Bosnia and Herzegovina. Serves 8. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Boil okra in water with a little bit of lemon juice. Step 2. Cut meat into small pieces and fry it in the butter. Slice onions and fry them in the same butter after you have removed the meat. Step 3. When the onion gets golden brown in color, add tomato sauce and stir it all together. Step 4. Then add meat, boiled water and tomato sauce. Let everything simmer for a while. Step 5. Once the meat is cooked, add okra, pepper and lemon juice. Always serve it with a piece of lemon. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.